Imagine waking up every morning to find your crypto portfolio has grown overnight. Not because you stayed awake analyzing charts, not because you executed a risky trade at 2 a.m., but because intelligent bots worked for you while you slept. This is not science fiction. It's happening now. Welcome to the world of Pionex trading bots. And today, I'm going to take you deep inside this revolution. In this episode, we'll explore how trading bots are reshaping the crypto trading landscape, why Pionex stands out, and why those who don't adapt today might be left behind tomorrow. So grab your coffee, put on your headphones, and let's dive in. The evolution of trading. Once upon a time, trading was manual, stressful, and highly emotional. Traders would sit in front of multiple monitors, watching price movements minute by minute, hoping to catch the perfect moment to buy or sell. Manual trading demanded incredible discipline. Emotions like fear, greed, and FOMO, fear of missing out, often led to costly mistakes. Even seasoned traders found it challenging to manage the pressure, the fatigue, and the information overload. Then came algorithmic trading. Wall Street firms spent billions to develop high-frequency trading algorithms. But for the average individual trader, access to this kind of technology seemed like a distant dream. Until platforms like Pionex emerged. Pionex democratized automated trading. They put powerful, intelligent bots into the hands of everyday people like you and me, enabling anyone to trade smarter, faster, and more consistently. And the best part? No coding required, no technical degree needed, just smart choices, a little setup, and technology working for you 24/7. Pionex launched with a simple but powerful mission: to make crypto trading automation accessible to everyone. With more than 16 free built-in trading bots, low fees, just 0.05% per trade, and a beginner-friendly interface, Pionex became a favorite among both newbie and experienced traders. But what truly sets Pionex apart is their relentless focus on user success. They don't just offer bots, they offer education, transparency, and a community of like-minded traders. From the intuitive app to the deeply detailed tutorials, Pionex makes sure you understand what you're doing and why you're doing it. That's rare in the crypto world, where complexity often reigns supreme. Let's break down what a bot really is. A bot is simply a program that follows preset instructions to execute trades on your behalf. Instead of you manually clicking buy and sell, the bot does it according to parameters you set. It can react faster than any human. It doesn't get tired. It doesn't feel fear or greed. It executes the strategy you choose, perfectly, every single time. Think of it as your personal assistant working tirelessly, scanning the market 24/7, looking for profitable opportunities. And at Pionex, bots are customizable. You control risk settings, profit-taking levels, investment size, and much more. Deep dive into Pionex bots. Now let's explore some of the superstar bots on Pionex. First, Grid Trading Bot. Designed for sideways markets. It places buy and sell orders at preset intervals. Profit from small price fluctuations, again and again. Second, Infinity Grid Bot. An advanced version of the grid bot. perfect for trending markets where prices rise steadily. It keeps buying low and selling high without an upper limit. Third spot futures arbitrage. BOT. Earn a stable interest, 15 to 50% APR, by exploiting price differences between spot and futures markets. Great for low-risk passive income seekers. Fourth, dollar cost averaging, DCA, BOT. Invest a fixed amount at regular intervals. Reduce the impact of market volatility. Ideal for long-term believers in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other major assets. Fifth, leveraged grid, BOT. Amplifies your returns using leverage. Higher rewards but also higher risks. Use cautiously. Each BOT is a powerful tool, but the real magic happens when you understand the right BOT for the right market conditions. The benefits of using Pionex bots. 24/7. Trading. Bots never sleep. Opportunities aren't missed while you're offline. Emotion-free decisions. Bots execute your plan without emotional interference. Efficiency and speed. Bots react instantly to market changes, faster than human traders. Accessibility. No coding skills required. Anyone can start in minutes. Diversification. Use multiple bots across different coins and strategies. Low fees. Only 0.05% trading fee, among the lowest in the industry. Story 1. Meet Alex, a college student from California. Alex started with just $300 and the grid trading bot. Over 6 months, without actively trading, his portfolio grew by 28%. His secret? Setting up smart grids, being patient, and letting the bot do its job. Story 2. Emma, a full-time nurse, used the spot futures arbitrage bot to create a second income stream. She earned around 20% annualized returns with almost no effort, freeing her from the constant stress of manual trading. Story 3. Raj, a businessman from India, diversified his crypto portfolio with 3 different bots. During the 2023 market sideways movement, he maintained steady profits while others lost money. These are not exceptions. They are examples of what becomes possible when you combine technology with strategy. Let's be honest. No technology is perfect. Sudden market crashes. Bots can't predict black swan events. Wrong settings. Poor configuration can lead to losses. Overconfidence. Some users expect unrealistic profits overnight. Security risks. Always use 2-factor authentication and trusted exchanges. Understanding these challenges allows you to plan better and protect your investments. Automation is not a trend. It's the future. AI and machine learning will soon make bots even smarter, adjusting strategies dynamically based on real-time news, social sentiment, and global events. Imagine bots that not only execute trades, but also learn and adapt over time. Pionex is already ahead in this race, constantly upgrading their systems and introducing new smart features like AI strategy bots. In 5 years, manual trading might feel like using a rotary phone in the smartphone era. Early adopters, Those who embrace bots today